guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating for fall. I am so excited, so I figured I would take you guys along with me. I got the cutest little fall decor items from HomeGoods and Michael's, I believe. So I am just so pumped. I feel like I haven't really decorated my room for fall or even for Christmas in such a long time, but I wanted to do more of like a mature look because a lot of my old decorations were very childish in a way. So I just stuck with like a minimalistic white and orange theme, but I just am so freaking excited. I cannot wait. I love the fall time, so super pumped about this video. And if you guys are new here to my channel, hi, my name is Leilani. I upload a new video every Saturday and occasionally on some Wednesdays. I would really appreciate if you would click that subscribe button down below, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, so let's get to it. So here is my humongous bag from HomeGoods. I got so many cool fall decor items, and I feel like HomeGoods, I never really go to that store, but my mom told me to check out HomeGoods because she remembers them having really cute decor pieces for an affordable price, which is so true. Like, I was mind blown at the amazing prices that they gave. Oh my god, I feel like my face looks so shiny. It's like not even fall. What the heck? So let's get to it. I'm so excited. Okay, so here is an overview of what my room looks like. I just threw all of the fall decorations on my bed so you can get a good look. But yeah, so this is what my room looks like. I'm just gonna give you guys a little overview of the spots that I would probably put decor pieces on. I don't really think I'm gonna decorate this area over here, but yeah, that's what my vanity looks like. It's so messy, so don't mind that. All right, and then I have this area, which I actually have pictures to switch out here, so I'll definitely do that. And then oh well, these are Christmas flowers from like years ago when I decorated my room for Christmas. I never switched it, so I need to do that. I have my crystal collection over here. I have my mirror over here, and then over here I just have this nice little area filled with decor, my dream board, and then my dresser, which is a mess, so don't mind that either. But we will be cleaning, ladies and gents. Hello everyone, so I just wanted to take the time to show you all this map that I got from Mapiful. Mapiful is a company that can custom create maps and prints for your room. I adore this map of New Jersey. I am just absolutely obsessed with it. I think it is so pretty, and it just adds such a perfect charm to my room. This is definitely a map that I want to keep with me forever, especially when I move out of state. I'm hoping to move to California within the next year or so, so I would love to take this with me and just always have a piece of New Jersey with me. It's great because there are so many different options on Mapiful's website, so you can get a print with your zodiac sign or the stars on a specific night, maybe on an anniversary of some sort. And then of course you can also get a map of a specific location like I did. I also got the hanger for it so that it hangs so nicely, but you can also put it in a frame as well, and that would be super cute, whatever you prefer. So shout out to Mapiful for sending me this beautiful map. I am obsessed with it, like I mentioned before, and I just think it looks amazing and really ties my room together. I will have Mapiful's website linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check them out. You definitely won't regret it. Let's get to work. There's not much here, but I mean, whatever, it is fine. So first I'm going to take this pillow and put it right on my chair because that is what I intended to do anyways. So yeah, I just need to cut the tags off, but I think it just makes it so cute and homey. So I'm just going to place these flowers in here. I'm probably gonna have to cut them because they're a little too tall. Like, no way. Okay, so I'm just going to cut them. Okay, these scissors don't do anything, so I need to get actual scissors. Okay, now that I cleared most of the random things that were on here, I think what I'm gonna do is just remove all of those random candles because I don't really need those. I'm gonna keep this because this is technically like a fall decoration. It's just the white pumpkin candle from Bath and Body Works. So we're just gonna move everything around. I think I might take down some things from up here so then maybe I can stick a pumpkin decoration up here. Okay, so I just cleaned off the entire top of my dresser and I used the Pledge multi-surface cleaner in the scent Hawaiian Breeze. It smells pretty good, so I think I'm just gonna put random things here to make it fallish. I got scissors, so now I'm just going to cut the like bottom pieces of the flowers off so then they can actually fit into the vase and they won't look crazy. These scissors are not heavy duty enough either. Okay, I'm back. So my dad was able to cut them with some sort of tool, I guess. I don't even know. So I have my vase and I'm just going to like try to make them like as separate as possible. Like I didn't want it to be like this in the vase, so I'm just going to maneuver them into the vase. Then it's just like a mix match of orange and white flowers. Beautiful. Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay, I'm going to take it over here where it's supposed to be. Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. That is just so fall, right in a vase. Oh my god, I love that. That looks so good. So I only have one decoration left. I have this little guy. Trying to figure out where to put him. Maybe up here would be nice. Like, I don't know. I have to like play around with it because it kind of looks like I just threw it there, because honestly I did. I have finally finished decorating my room. I am so happy with how it turned out. Like I mentioned before, it's very simple. There's not too many decorations, so then it's not like fall overload in my room. So I just like the few decorations that I have, and I will do a little montage of everything with a little voiceover. So I didn't show you guys this decor piece before, but it is just this little sign that I got from Target, I believe, and it says spooky season on it. And then I just added the little flowers over there with a pumpkin. Here is what my dresser looks like. And then here's the bouquet of flowers. And I just added a couple little flowers on the corners of my mirror just to give an extra fall touch to that corner of the room. Over here we have some cute little pumpkins. And then, of course, my giant pumpkin pillow. So that is it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite thing about fall is. I just love apple cider and apple cider donuts and going on like fall traditions with my family, like going pumpkin picking, apple picking. That is for sure my favorite thing about fall. So tell me what yours is down below. And I will have Mapiful's website linked down below so then you guys can check them out. I absolutely love how it just tied my room together and made it so mature and cutesy. and I just love New Jersey, so I'm happy to have a map of New Jersey in my room. And if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram and give it a follow. It's just at Leilani Nicole A. I always have it linked down below in the description box. So that is it with this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!